Well, hi there. I wanted to do a quick little video on our tractor. It's the International Harvester 350 utility. Did a couple videos on it already. Haven't had any responses. Hoping to get some response for what to do here, what to look at. Anyway, I've had some troubles finding parts. Of course, I've found out how hard they are to find. Some parts are available and some are not. I just found out yesterday after cleaning up this steering gear part. I've taken it all apart here, you see, but I finally found out the difference here. It says Ross. It was all buried in grease and yuck on the back side here, and I've got everything all cleaned up. It's heavy. Clean those off. I took this off. It was all full of water, and they had neglected for a number of years to put oil in it. So it was dry of oil, and it had a lot of rust in it. It was what grease was inside here was pretty bad. It was real heavy. It was hard to get out. I don't know if that focused with this bronze bushing that's inside here, where the oil channels are. This opening here was completely plugged in here against the casting, was total rust, just chunks. I got that all cleaned out. That piece is cleaned out. So I think this will be alright. I think this will all go back together, no problems. The bushings were tight. In fact, they were too tight because of the rust. The parts here that have the gearing on it, this little piece here, try and show it better, get the video on here, where it runs onto the worm gear. Look at that, it's all buggered up. It's really a mess. And that piece, accordingly, you can buy a new one for 37 bucks, but that one doesn't appear as if it comes right out. I'm not sure. I have to look at it more, see how to get that out of there. These two parts mesh together opposite each other like this. Sorry about bumping around here.
Low power.
The steering shaft here, see how worn those are. Really worn in there. Steering was really bad on it. Whoever had taken this apart some years ago didn't put it back together correctly. The ends are really boogered up. Really boogered up. The shims were rusty. The tube's not too bad. So anyway, here's the tractor, what I've done so far. That's where that steering gear went here. Taking that all off. The starter goes in there. The new radiator. Everything all cleaned up on top. Looks really good. New valve cover. It's not new, I cleaned it all up. Inside and out. It was really clean inside though, not bad at all. But there's the new radiator in there. It's actually the old radiator's been completely rebuilt, which turned out really good. With that steering, I want to pull all this apart. I've got new joints, drag links, I guess they call these, here and on the other end on both sides. I'm replacing those. This, you can see the zert's missing off of this one. Anyway, it turned out to be quite a job, a little more than I hoped, but it's working out. Looking at ordering some parts, so getting together an order. So anyway, that's the progress on the tractor. Lots to do yet. So we're getting her rebuilt he's looking a lot better. So if you watched it before, thank you so much for watching. Let's get some comments and some ideas on what I should be doing, what I should be doing better here, or right, what I should be checking for. That would sure be appreciated for the help. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends, share the videos with others, kind of spread the word. Really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever. Yeah, watch our K-Cabin videos. They're pretty good. We've had a lot of fun, a lot of tiring fun, but our K-Cabin is coming along. We won't be working on it for a while as winter's setting in over there. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you later. Watch for the next videos.